We'll do the homework. Did you try the mechanics over the break?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I tried it.
And how did you do?
Like, for mechanics, like.
Because the mechanics in your exams weren't good.
Yeah. Like, I only, like, I didn't finish all, but, like, I finished more than 2 or 3.
Yeah, okay.
So I can't solve one question in the mechanics.
Okay.
Wait, does that mean you passed all of papers?
Maybe.
She's not all papers.
I said maybe.
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 What?
Maybe. Maybe.
Maybe not.
I need to double check it. I didn't give you any extra marks.
What?
Good job, Sophie. You're the highest though.
Oh.
Nearly got 100.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
You did very well, but I don't remember your grade. Yeah.
Okay.
What grade do you hope for? Then you should be happy.
But I'm more than C or more.
Do not remember you. Do not remember you. I don't think you're a C. I don't think so.
What does Patrick get?
Patrick wasn't there. He got 0. Yeah.
It's under C or higher, much higher or little higher.
It's a D.
Oh, alright.
But it's a high D. Like,
Can I get a C minus?
will I give you C minus? No. Can you get C minus next time? Maybe.
By very
But
well.
you make.
I know!
Your exam! The question, remember the question with the ball thrown up in the air.
Yeah.
Do you remember this in section A? The ball goes up into the air. No, just wait. Yeah, -1, true. Yeah. Do you remember this ball goes up in the air? What did I ask you to find? Time. And what did you find? You found V.
Oh.
No key.
Oh.
Like, and then the other one. Do you remember the 2 cars?
Yeah.
And they collide? And this one is positive, and this one should be.
It's not me.
It's not you.
Yeah, not me.
Wait, even by very well.
And you know, the last time you did it, you got it right. Don't understand.
Yeah, I know the 2 cars.
Yes,
But
and
last time I
I
was
last time
I
I don't get it. Yes.
By very well, do you mean an A very well?
A or greater, yeah. Yeah. Yes, good for her, yes. So let me think, anything else that made me angry? I don't remember. Yes. Yes. I think you could have gotten a C. I don't know.
I know, but it's better than last time.
Yes, it's true.
So, like, when do you get out?
I have the meeting with the other teachers tomorrow to discuss your results, and then after the meeting I can give you your results. Yeah.
I don't know.
You already got it. I just told you what it is. You want me to take it back? Okay, I took it back, so. Right, now what, I think we only had one homework to do, was that right? Okay, materials, density, was it? Yeah. Alright, let's have a look. So is Amanda in GNIB today?
Yeah.
Ah, exciting. The whole day? Because of her picture. Passport office. Oh, okay. Alright, okay. Right. First question. What is the weight of a 5 by 10 by 90 plank of wood? 5 by 10 by 90. That's the volume. So the volume is 0.0045 meters cubed. And the density is the mass over the volume. So the mass is the density by the volume. So mg is density by volume by g. What's mg? What's mg? Weight. Which is what I want. Sohi, do you have the density of wood? Do you have it written down? 700, yeah? Okay, so I get 30.9 newtons. Did you try this, Grace? No? Impossible? Did you watch the video about density?
Yes.
The new video?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Are you sure?
Yes.
Because I thought I had zero fuse.
I watched the old one.
And did you watch the new one as well?
Maybe. I forgot.
Maybe you should watch it again. Yes, okay.
I don't understand.
Maybe watch it again. Okay, number 2. A trophy is made of 100 grams of gold and 200 grams of silver. What's the density of the trophy? Okay. So this is, you mix gold and silver. So the density of the mixture is the mass of the mixture over the volume of the mixture. So that's mass of the gold plus mass of the silver over the volume of the gold plus the volume of the silver. But if density equals mass over volume, then volume equals mass over density. So this is equal to mass of the gold plus mass of the silver over mass of the gold over density of the gold plus mass of the silver over density of the silver. And I have, let me see, 100 gold and 200 silver. So 100 gold plus 200 silver. Sohi again, since I know you were in the class. What's the density of gold? It's like 14,000 or something? 19,000. And silver? 10500. Alright, let's see what we get. So I get 12385 kilograms per meter cubed. Got that? Yes? No. You wrote it down?
Yes.
Good. Hot chocolate?
No.
Huh?
American.
Americano? I thought you didn't like Americano. You're sleepy. Why so sleepy? GNIB?
I don't know. Maybe.
Watched too much Batman last night? Yeah. I'm watching Batman from 1966. Do you know this Batman? You know this one I'm talking about?
Is this the one that the boy walks into the cave or something?
I don't know. You know the one I'm talking about, don't you? 1966 Batman. You have this one in China? Or Korea? You don't know 1966 Batman? Oh, I have to show you sometime. He's like the best Batman, yeah? Alright, okay.
I have the original comic.
And you have the original? Original? Ooh, expensive, no?
Long time ago, it's not expensive.
How much?
My friend, I don't know the price, but I think that it's not that expensive.
Really?
Yeah.
Original from like
That's
1947.
not that original.
Oh, then I don't care.
That is too original.
Too original. Yeah, okay. You mean new original, yes?
Yes.
Not original.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
fine.
Long time ago, too expensive.
Yes, I think so too. I think so too. Too original. I like it. Okay, number 3. Your teacher is enjoying a glass of wine he got from a student, normally, and notes at the bottle's information. It states that it's 75 centiliter bottle. Okay, so the volume is 75 centiliter, as 14% alcohol and 86% non-alcohol, something like a salt water. Okay, so 14% alcohol, 86 non-alcohol. Okay, so 14% is alcohol, and then 86% is a water. Right, so what we need to do first is convert this into meters cubed. Do you remember what centi is?
0.00
10 to the minus.
2.
Yes, and that was one of the mistakes you made in the exam. You mixed up, you said milli was 10 to the minus 2. But milli is 10 to the minus 3. And I'm like, oh no. Now you lose your 100. I'm so sad. One day, maybe the final exam, maybe, yeah. Okay, so centi, what's centi? Minus 2, okay. And do you remember how big a litre is? So 1 metre cubed is 1,000 litres. You learned this in chemistry, I think, yeah? So 1 metre cubed, 1 litre is 1 over 1,000 meters cubed. So if I take this back, this would be 75 times 10 to the minus 2 over 1,000 meters cubed. So that equals 7.4 times 10 to the minus 4 meters cubed. So 14% of that is 1.05 times 10 to the minus 4 meters cubed, and then for the water, it's 6.45 times 10 to the minus 4 meters cubed. So this is how much alcohol there is by volume, and then this is how much water, sugary water, there is. Okay, is that okay so far? Yeah? Yes. Now, I want density is mass over volume, therefore mass is density by volume. So the mass of the bottle is the mass of the alcohol plus mass of the water. That's the density of the alcohol times the volume of the alcohol plus the density of the water times the volume of the water. So that would be density of the alcohol times 1.05 times 10 to the minus 4 plus density of the water, and then 6.45 times 10 to the minus 4. What's the density of alcohol? It's like 750, is it? You have it there, Sohi, thank you. 789. And then of the salt water is 1029? 1030. Okay. So let's see what we get. 0.747 kilograms. Yeah. So that's how heavy the bottle, the drink is. Okay. So great. There was only this formula for this lesson, just this formula. No. They give you that in the exam. No, that'll be a big problem if you need to remember that. Yes. No. Is it good?
Very good, excellent.
It's excellent. Better than Batman?
Batman is the highest.
Okay. Right. Second best?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right.
Because we finished the movie and everybody was there.
Really?
Yeah.
Good movie?
Yeah, very good movie.
Who'd you go with?
Friends.
Just asking. Yeah. All right. Number 4. A litre of an alcoholic drink, which is a mixture of alcohol and something sugary sweet water like liquid, has mass of 976. What percentage of this drink is alcohol? So in this example, it's going backwards. You know it's a mix of water and alcohol. How much of each? So it's working backwards. The mass of the drink is 0.976 kilograms, but mass is density times volume of the drink is 0.976, but the drink is alcohol plus water. Well, it's something like sweet water and alcohol. Now, I have it from the previous one. That's 789 volume of alcohol plus 1030 volume of water equals 0.976. Yep. Okay, so what else do I tell you? No. I tell you it's a litre. A litre. So you know that the volume of the alcohol plus the volume of the water equals 1 litre, which is 1 over 1,000 meters cubed, and this is kilogram. So if you look at it, you have two equations. 789x plus 1030y equals 0.976, and 1x plus 1y equals 0.001. So, volume of the alcohol and volume of the water. You know how to solve this. So I'm not going to solve it because that's for children. So this works out to be 2.24 times 10 to the minus 4, 7.76 times 10 to the minus 4 meters cubed. Okay. Sorry, 10 to the minus 4. So this is, if you want it as milliliters, this is 776 milliliters, and this is 224 milliliters. What? Get power. Did you get it right?
No. I don't know.
Did you get this one, Sophie? No, okay.
I mean, you can.
In the exam, power from the exam, yes, okay. This question is kind of a famous question because you know how heavy the drink is, see, 976 grams, and you have a litre, so you can go backwards and know how much alcohol and water is mixed together. So you can know how much alcohol they put in the drink. Yeah.
Is this where they get the percentage from? It's like 4% alcohol.
Well, it's how you could work it out if you didn't know the percentage. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, continue. Yeah. So the last one here, carbon has a density of 2 grams per centimeter cubed. Humans are 70% water and 30% carbon. What's the volume of an 86 kilogram man? Okay. 5? Yeah. So you have density is mass over volume. So volume is mass times density. So the volume of the man would equal the volume of his water plus the volume of his carbon. That would be the mass of the water plus the volume, the density of the water plus the mass of the carbon times the density of the carbon. The mass of the water, well, we know the density of water, it's 1000, and we know the density of carbon is 2000. Yes? Because this is 2 grams per centimeter cubed. So it's twice the density of water, because water is 1 gram per centimeter cubed. Yeah? Now, we don't actually know what this is, but we do know that the mass of the, mass of the water plus the mass of the carbon is equal to 86. So I'll put a box around this. We also know that he's 70% water. So 70% of his volume is equal to the volume of water, and you also know 30% of his volume is the volume of carbon. So let me see. Volume of water is mass of the water. Yeah, this is the mass of the water times the density of the water, which is 1000 nW, and this is the mass of the carbon times the density of the carbon, which is 2000 mass of the carbon. But this here is 0.70 mass of the man times the density of the man, 0.70 mass of the man times density of the man. Whew. Now forget that bit. Now what I'll do is I'm going to divide these to make a new equation. So I have 0.7 over 0.3 equals mW over mc, 2mc. I divide the top and the bottom. Yeah? What is W? This here? Mass of the water, mass of the carbon. I divide these. Can you see, Grace? This one, divide this one is here, because the zeros cancel. And this one, divide this one is here. So we can make, if I take this up and take this up, 1.4 mc minus 0.3 mw equals 0. Perfect. Now I have two equations. Right, mode 51, okay, so 1, and then 86, 1.4. So I get mass of the, I typed this in wrong. Mass of the water equals 70.8, and mass of the carbon equals 15.2. If you take these and put them back in here, you can get your answer. No, sorry, not there. Back in there, we have our answer. Because remember, this at the start was for the volume. Alright, so 1000 times 70.8. No, that seems too big. Sorry. Nobody corrected me. Volume is mass over density, so there should be divides here. Okay. Right. 1000 over 70.8 plus 2000 over 15.2, and the answer is too big. Too big. I think it's too big. Yeah, too big. Volume is mass over density. Mass over density. They're upside down. Put it back in here. Sorry. Mass over density. I have it upside down. 70.8 divided by 1000 plus 15.2 divided by 2000. Yeah, I know. Sorry, Grace, I wrote these upside down. They should be m over 1000, m over 2000. Right, so the answer here is 0.0784. That seems better. Meters cubed. Sorry about that. That went a bit messy because of my mistake here. So your man is 78 liters. Yeah. Which one? Here? This one? Now it should be like this. Mass W over density W plus mass C over density C. So it would be 70.8 over 1000 plus 15.2 over 2000. It's a mess. It's a mess. It's a mess. It's a mess.
Okay, how about the down part?
Here? Or here? Here. What's wrong with this?
I don't know, like,
What's this? Huh? What's the answer? There it is there. This works out to be 0.0784 meters cubed, or 78.4 litres. That's the volume of the man. Now this seems like the right answer. 78 litres seems about right. Yeah. Okay, can I close this? This mess. I don't want to look at it. Okay.